What I'm going to be showing you today is the installation of the EnergyTracker system. You can install this to any supported Windows operating system, and the hardware you choose is entirely dependent on what's available. EnergyTracker will run on anything from laptop grade hardware through to server systems. Typically for SME and SOHO, a laptop or desktop would be perfectly fine. For larger organisations, you might want to think about running this on a server-based operating system, simply because of a larger scale deployment may require the additional processing power needed to support that. But today, this is just a Windows 7 laptop, and we've downloaded the EnergyTracker installer. On Windows 7, it's very important that to run it, you right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. We'll just click Next. We'll agree to the license terms. We'll enter our serial number. This should have been emailed to you, but I'll just copy it out of here. We'll click Next. Default install location is fine, but you can change it if you want. We won't install the serial to USB driver. This is for home grade hardware such as the NVR. We won't be needing that today. Click Next. Just a summary of the installation, and we'll just click Next. And now what it's doing is actually checking the operating system for all the installed components to make sure that what EnergyTracker needs to run is there. And this can take a few minutes. On this system, it should only take a few moments, so we'll just wait for that to complete. Okay, so it's finished checking the operating system, and now it's actually laying down the other installers that it needs to complete the installation. And by default, EnergyTracker uses an SQL database, and the EnergyTracker installer comes with the free version of SQL, which is SQL 2008 R2 Express. If you're going to be installing this for a larger organisation, we would probably recommend you look at the full paid version of SQL, simply for performance reasons. Okay, if it doesn't detect that SQL is installed, it'll actually tick the option Install SQL Express for EnergyTracker. So if you just want to click Next, then SQL Express will install. This is an automated installation. You don't need to answer any questions at this stage, and so we'll just let SQL install at this point. Okay, SQL has installed successfully, and now this next component will actually set up the database. You can just leave all the options as default if you want, and just click next. Click OK, OK again, and that's the database set up. And now it's just installing the administration console, the data processing engine, and the client. This only takes a moment, and it'll be completed soon. And that's it. If EnergyTracker needed to reboot the computer, then it would tell you at this point, and you should go and reboot the computer. Now you can click Finish, and it will open up the administration console and launch the client. And the administration console is the software system used to actually configure the EnergyTracker system, and we'll cover that off in another video.